Okay, here is the formula. Definitely pause this, take a screenshot, write this down in your notebook. Eventually, you'll just memorize it. So if you have a quadratic function, okay, and you want to find the roots, again, that's where it crosses the x-axis, also called the zeros, the x-intercepts. Okay, so if you have a quadratic, again, you're trying to find the roots here. We've done that with factoring. We've done that with completing the square. Now we're going to use quadratic formula. So negative b right here is -1. So negative b would be +1 plus or minus the square root. Now put this b squared in parentheses, okay? The squared outside the parentheses. Because your calculator is not going to know that that's -1 squared. They're going to think the calculator is going to think it's 1 squared, then make it negative. And then that's minus 4ac. So 4 always, it's always 4, but a is 3, and b is 8. And then it's all over 2a. So 2 times 3. Okay, so that's 1 minus 4 times 3 times 8. So that's 12 times 8, which 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 2 is 16, so that's 96. So that's 1 minus 96 inside, right? 1 minus 96, so that's -95 inside. And you learn from what we did with complex numbers that you can't have a negative inside. Okay, that's going to be an imaginary number. So I'll write this up here, sorry. So 1 plus or minus I times the square root of 95 over 6. And that's good enough for now. Okay, so obviously the roots are imaginary. Sometimes you can simplify what's inside the radical. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes it's imaginary. Sometimes it's not. Okay, so each one's going to be different. That's why it's important to do extra problems, which is what you're going to do right now, which is your classwork. Right here. So why don't you try, maybe the first 3 or something. Maybe not 20, 20. You'd have to distribute and do all that. Let's do 18, 19, 21, something like that for credit, and then post it into Google Classroom. Okay, have a good day.